Welcome to the Millbrook Railroad, and today I have a little bit of track work to do. You remember on a recent video we recently laid more track to the ballast pile. Well, now we have to do some more ballasting on that, and we've got to level some of that track and get a little more passable. It starts to fall apart after a while if you don't jack it and pack it, so that's what we've got to do now. So when we laid this track, I basically pulled this end of the main line up out of the weeds. It's still on ballast, but I've got more ballast underneath it now than I had before. Added it a little bit down the center, but I've got to add more down the sides. And here's the stuff I added down the center. And, well, of course, here we are on the sides already and tamped. So we'll take you back in time and show you what we did. I think the gauge is spread again. So there it is, basically roughed in, basically level. It'll pass a train pretty good, pretty easily. And I may have to do a little bit of fine tuning here and there, but that's after it settles some more. I do want to do some more fine tuning to the overall track geometry here. You can kind of see that it's a little bit wavy in a couple of places, but it's flat. The cross level is actually decent. But I still go uphill into the ballast pile right now, and I want to kind of fix that. I don't care if the ballast pile branch has a steep hill going up into the pile. I just want the cars to not run away on me when I get them up there. Well, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to share, subscribe, and join us over on Patreon for early access to videos and for some exclusive content. It's patreon.com/Millbrook Railroad. Thanks for joining us today again, and enjoy the rest of your day.